Hello everybody, welcome to a DIY Monday video. This is DIY Mondays. It's going to be nice outside and everything else. I'll be doing all sorts of work outside, and you can see that on the Aquatic Remix channel. And I'll be doing Dollar Tree hauls from time to time on this channel, stuff that I'm going to get, and I will go into it in depth going forward. This will be the first video to introduce you to the channel. I haven't been updating this channel since I got hurt. I did a few videos, but not many. We'll be going downstairs. Right now I'm in my studio. I basically got it in order where I can sit back in the chair and be with everybody with my camera and everything else. And of course, as you can see, my whole thing is set up. I'm going to go through all this on the DIY and the Aquatic Remix to show you what I'm doing. We're going to sit down and talk about anything and everything. You want to talk about different live streams and everything. But this channel will be specifically for DIY projects. I'll be making little birdhouses, stuff to sell, stuff for Christmas and stuff like that. Things I'm going to put up as decorations. Some Halloween stuff and everything. And I'll be showing you that. And that's my DIY studios downstairs where I have my fish room too. And I want to introduce you to the Fish Tank Thursday channel. So Fish Tank Thursdays will be all the fish tank stuff, where I have the 3 tanks set up. I actually am going to set up more. I'm going to take some goldfish out from my pond and put them in there, and I will show everybody that on not the DIY channel, but on the Fish Tank Thursday channel. Over here I have this lights. I'll show you replacing lights outside, stuff like that. And then I will go into depth of all the different camera stuff that I have on a DIY channel, how to set them up. This is for your car. We'll be taking trips and everything else on my other channel, but I will show you how to do this. I got this for Christmas, so we'll be setting that up. I'll be selling mugs and everything else, and I'll show you how I make the mug by taking this off right here and taking this out and putting a logo in there or whatever, and then sealing it and then offering them to everybody. That's what the DIY channel is about. We'll be cleaning up this room, and I'll be showing you that. Once the next rain day comes, we'll be in here, rainy day, DIY project to do. And I hope to keep this room clean and set up, and I will be putting up a blind to get rid of the sun glare. Unfortunately today it's gloomy out and everything else. I basically got everything sorted out, as you can see, in a situation where I can work it out. My camera, my board to record, sound card to record videos and stuff like that. I have my other computer over here, and we'll be going into all the stuff, how to hook up the stuff with the headphones, and how to hook up the microphone to the sound card so you have everything hooked up. how to connect, all that stuff. We'll be going into that. I just want to do an introduction. So every Monday you'll see a video about different things that I'm doing, and that is the DIY portion of the thing. This is my studio. This is what I'm setting up for this. I have this channel, and this channel. And I'll be using this camera, and all my other camera equipment right here. Right here. I have all sorts of phone devices, which we'll be going into, and I'll be putting that on the remix channel also. And that's why I call it Garden Aquatics. The garden outside, watering, taking care of the garden, and the pond and everything else, what I do with that, keep predators out. We'll go into all that on Garden Aquatics. And of course, this channel as well, how I set this stuff up, I will show you. Unfortunately, I had to do it before I could get into this, and I finally got everything in order in the backyard, and I will be maintaining it. I'll be taking down the greenhouse. Next year I'll show you setting it up. I'm going to leave the frame up, and I'm going to take the plastic off the greenhouse, and I'll show you that on the DIY channel. I'll show you how to make a birdhouse out of pallet wood, all sorts of stuff. We'll go into how to set up your camera, how to set up your phone, and even, I don't know, we can get this down here, but I have a phone thing up here. See if I can show you my phone thing for when I do videos. I can have I have my phone ring, I have my mic, I have my headphones, I have all sorts of stuff in here, little tools and stuff to use. We'll show you that. I have two set of headphones and stuff that we're going to be using. And I have the one headphone that I'll use, and the other one is a backup. And then I have all sorts of other microphones that I can use. I also have a remote microphone so that I could go away from my phone or from my camera and talk to you. So that's what I'll be doing. And I'll also show you how to set up a green screen, which I have over here, which I got as a gift. And people will be able to walk around, and you won't see me with somebody disturbing the video. And I'll explain all the stuff, how everything is set up and everything else. And we're going to be putting a shelf up. Finally got one for my projector. I'm undecided whether I'm going to put it over here or over there, and we'll be using it in upcoming videos. Again, a gift. And then I suggest you watch Outdoors will be garden related, remix, Garden Aquatic Remix channel, fixing the gardens, preparing for Halloween. I will show a little bit on the DIY channel how I prepare my stuff in the house and everything else. And outside will be strictly Garden Aquatic Remix, and I might change the name of the channel a little later on. But I just want to introduce you to this, and starting this Monday, there will be a DIY video every Monday for the month of September, what's left. It's 3 Mondays, I think, and the first Monday in October, and then we'll go into doing shorts on the channel, all sorts of DIY short videos and stuff like that to boost this channel. And once I get to over 1,000 subscribers, I will show you how I did it. And then hopefully by the end of the year, I would like to be at 20,000 subscribers. Not only on this channel, but my other channels as well. So I just want to introduce myself to you. I'm Stephen F. This is Monday DIYs, and every Monday from this point on, you will see a DIY video. If video will be this Monday in September, and then every Monday in September for the month of September, and then the first Monday in October, and then it'll be every other week. If I have something to post, I will post it, but at least 2 to 3 videos a month. The first of the month, the first of the month, and the fourth of the month, and maybe one in the middle, whatever. So 3 videos a month. So I hope you join me. I hope you enjoy my other channels. Garden Aquatic Remix. That's remix videos and stuff like that, and about the pond and outside gardening. And then this channel, DIY projects, fixing stuff, setting up things, and I'll show you different projects that I did. I should have explained to everybody on my channel when I fixed the tape on the skids, put skid tape down on my deck outside, because the skid pad that I had was falling apart, so I scraped that off and I put skid tape down. I should have put that on here, excuse me, but it's too late, so I'm very, very sorry for that. So, but I may post it on this channel, but stay tuned for this channel, because there'll be another video explaining what I'm doing downstairs and everything else, and what I plan to do and paint and everything else, all these little birdhouses and stuff that I'm making. So keep watching. Thank you for tuning in to DIY Mondays with Stephen F. There'll be a lot more, and there'll be a lot of shorts and everything else too. So I hope you join me every Monday in the month of September, and going forward we'll be making birdhouses, and I'll be selling them on eBay, and I'll introduce that site to you when I get the first birdhouse set up. You can go over to the eBay channel now, which I'll introduce in my next video. So I hope to see you on this channel. Remember, you can do it. Try it. You can do it. You can. All you have to do is try. Don't sit around and do nothing. Make something. Do something. There's always something for somebody to do. I'm 72 years old, and I wanted to do something with my life. So that's why I started a YouTube channel. And I'm going to continue to do YouTube videos. God willing, I hope to be here for a long, long time. And I hope you will be here with me on DIY Mondays and my other 2 channels. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully we're starting another channel. Once I get all these channels at 20,000 subscribers, I'm going to have another channel set up, and I'll introduce that to you when I do it. So think of things that you can do and do it. DIY projects. Find out something. Build something. Do something. It's rewarding, and you can say, I did that. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.